Hey guys, what's going on? I'm no longer sick, I'm fine. So I thought I'd make a video. And what the video is about? Well, iPod Rohan, a user, suggested that I make a video about Kotlin, beginning Kotlin, all that stuff. Kotlin has been gaining some weight lately as a replacement for Java, as a substitute for Java. I don't know what to call it. It's just you can do it. You can develop Android apps using the Kotlin language. You can write Kotlin and they will compile. They'll come out as an app, I guess. I have no idea what Kotlin is, or well, I have a small idea. I didn't read the document that Jake Wharton released about it. He released the document why it's better, the comparison. I read none of that. I know it exists. So we're not going to read that today. We're just going to explore as things pop up. So, as any professional programmer with 10,000 years of experience, we're going to Google it. Or Android. Alright. Getting started. I know this link exists, I just didn't go through it. We're gonna go through it now. We're just gonna start by just enabling the language to work inside our project. That's all we need. It's gonna be a short video. Maybe when I learn more about the language itself, we make another video more in depth, something more knowledgeable. Not like this. Probably it's gonna be like this also. This tutorial walks us through creating a simple Kotlin application for Android. It's extremely easy to start, guys. What? See? It's extremely easy. Let's start a new project. Shall we? This is an old project. Where did the mouse go? Okay. Close a project. Start a new Android project. Okay. Kotlin. Test. Okay. Let's see if I have a directory just for these tests. I don't. Okay. We're gonna put it in workspace. Next. Let's just check what they want us to do. API 15. We're at 16, that's fine. Blank activity. Okay. Next. Basic activity. Oh, nice. It was called blank before. Now it's basic. You want the empty activity. Nice. Next, main activity. I like to put underscores in my Java class names. You can bite me if you like. Finish. See, these are bows. Top-notch stuff, man. They're really good. Really good. I really love them. The loader is on the other screen. Here it is. I don't know why it went up there. It's starting. Okay, they created converting Java code to Kotlin. Then invoke the action convert Java file to Kotlin file. See, guys, you could have done this, but I don't really care. I want to make a video. If it's informative or if it's professional, don't really care. It's just fun to make. And this is the first time I want to get into Kotlin, honestly, because I don't like Java to the point I'm really beginning to hate Java. The syntax, I'm getting sick of the syntax, and especially when I saw Python. I worked a little with Python for about 2 weeks, and I really learned that shit. You know, it was a very rigorous method of learning. You see, let me show you. I had these cards where, like this one, calling next on a line that has a second argument, etc. Iterables, num list, extend, mutable, immutable. I really learned the fuck out of it. So when I did that, I saw the other world. I saw the freedom. I saw the way that you can express yourself so easily, and it's such a nice language. I really love Python. Honestly, I wish I could have Python for Java. I know there's Jython, but no. It's not as well established as Kotlin. The thing is, Kotlin is really established with Android Studio and with the Android community itself. So they're working in parallel. And who makes Kotlin? The people who made the IntelliJ, I think. Right? No? Who created Kotlin? There's a question. Who created you? What the fuck? JetBrains. There you go. JetBrains are the ones who made the IntelliJ IDEA, the IDE we're using right now. And so it's really baked into the environment, and it's easier than to just try Jython and make it work and how well it will behave with Android. You don't have to worry about any of that with Kotlin. It'll just work out of the box. You see, the tutorial is over already. There's like 5 steps or something, just to get it up and running, of course. So let's do that. Where the hell is the project? Okay. Let's switch to this. I like to switch to this view because it's clearer. And always I open my Java just like that. It's where I'm comfortable. So yeah, when I saw Python, I was really in love. So I want to try. I think Kotlin can offer something at least better than Java, man. Come on. It's not hating Java. Well, it is hating Java a little, but fuck it. I don't fucking care. I don't like Java. I know Java. I don't like Java. Converting Java code to Kotlin. Open main activity. Invoke convert Java data. Okay. Find action. Okay. Enter action. Okay. This is Command Shift A to open this dialog. Command Shift A. Convert. Okay. Convert Java F Kotlin. Or we can have this shortcut. Alright. This is probably the wrong dialog I'm invoking. Enter action or option name. Wait, what's the shortcut? This is it. Command Shift A. Probably you need to have Kotlin first. Probably. There's no way it's gonna work just like that. Nothing does. Convert Java F. Okay, it's Command Alt Shift. What the fuck? Okay, it's all of them. J. That did nothing. Okay. Let's skip to this step. Maybe this step will fix the first one. Configure Kotlin project. Okay. If this doesn't work, then we don't have Kotlin. Or something's fucking wrong. Configure Kotlin. Yeah, no. It's not gonna happen. The next step. Wait, did they select something in the start project that we are not aware of? It says here ice cream sandwich. Start new Android Studio project. Everything is good. But now we'd like to add some Kotlin. The easiest way to start, convert automatically to Java Kotlin 1. Please note, anytime instead of looking through documentation for a new way to express an old pattern, you can write it in Java and copy paste the code in the Kotlin file, and IntelliJ or Android Studio will suggest to convert it. Okay. But how do we get the converter, man? Installing the Kotlin plugin. I knew it. Much like, you see, I did zero research before this. and you search for what do you search for? I know how to get the fucking plugins. Just Kotlin? No. Install JetBrains plugin. What am I missing here? This plugin, okay. Although we can download. Oh, you have to install JetBrains plugin. See, I don't read, bro. Fucking stupid. Kotlin. There we go. It just says Kotlin. This is obsolete, and this is an annotator. You don't need it. Wow. 400,000 people installed this. Alright. Yes, install. Now we're gonna wait together because I like you guys, and I like spending some quality time with you. It's just 40 megabytes. But just to give you an information about how fast my internet is. See, I live in a kind of a impoverished area. I live in Lebanon, so it's not the greatest luxury here, internet. So if we go here and just skip to videos, maybe. Yeah, videos. So you have getting started with Kotlin in 2 minutes. My video is gonna be better than his video. Because first of all, there's no person here. I heard it. It's just sound and a screencast. So that sucks. You need a personal connection, bro. Also, let's see who else is using Kotlin. Kotlin Android app. No, we want someone who made an actual app. Oh, how to use Kotlin in your Android projects from Tuts Plus. These are the guys I like. How long is it? Oh, it's long. It's longish. No, they're still starting a new project here. Okay, they've already implemented Kotlin here. Using Kotlin, okay. Oh. Let's not create an activity similar to the one I created in the first step. Okay. Okay. Converting Java classes to Kotlin. Oh, see, this guy is, he's doing the same thing as over there. Okay, so I think the next step would be to really explain what Kotlin is, and not right now, but when I study up on it and figure out what it is and what it isn't, maybe I'll come back with another video that explains what the language is, how it's different from Java, what it offers. Maybe. I don't know enough to make that comparison, but that hasn't stopped me before. It seems like it's gonna take a while. So I'm gonna pause the video here, and well, I'll continue when it's done. Alright, so we're back. I was asked to restart Android Studio, and I did. Got my trusty cigarette right here. We should now have the plugin. Okay, ready to update. Not now. So let's do the same thing we were trying to do a couple of minutes ago. Command Shift A. There we go. Convert. It's starting up. Okay. Kotlin, convert convert file to Kotlin. There we go. Enter. Not available while Android is updating. Okay, he's updating indices. I can't really see where. Let's get out of full screen so we can see that. Okay, there it's updating the indices. Alright. It should be done now in a couple of hours. So yeah, this video is going to be very minimal because I have minimal knowledge, honestly. But I've been meaning to try out Kotlin, see what it's all about. Let's actually see if there's anybody. I want to know if there are some apps that were written with Kotlin. We're just going to search the Play Store with Kotlin because obviously the person who did it is going to write, this app was made with Kotlin. I think so. Kotlin weather. Okay. Boy, the internet is crawling. Okay, I'm pretty sure this means made with Kotlin. The app is shit, honestly. So fuck him. Text that. Ah, there we go. Written in Kotlin, lets you browse technology stacks popular stuff. Discover new technology, create compelling user experiences. Okay. Good reference, needs some improvements in the way. Okay. I'm pretty sure it can do the exact same. I'm not sure it can do the exact same thing because I don't know. I'm not going to say it doesn't. But why wouldn't it? It's going to have access to the Android APIs. You can do the exact same thing as you can do with Android APIs with Java. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, in the next video we'll find out for sure. So, Control-Shift-A, convert to Kotlin. It's happening, guys. It's happening. Wow. Oh my god. My first Kotlin encounter. Okay, so the colon here is extends, and this has parentheses for some reason. It's a class. Override function. On create, there's no annotation. Saved instance state is past a bundle. You're asking me? Okay, this is the syntax. So the bundle question mark. Okay, so it's a placeholder or something. Super.onCreate, this is the same. Set content view, but as you can see, the method calls are now in orange for some reason. And now our files have this little Kotlin icon here. Okay, let's do the next thing that this tutorial wants us to do. After the conversion, we should have an activity. Okay. We don't have an okay, let's actually override. No. Override, yes. On prepare options menu. On create options menu. Oh my god, it's doing it. Oh, there is no semicolons. That is cool. That is very cool. So what can we do here? Bar. Ooh. Equals 24. Log. Is there a log? How can I log? What? Log. Log. Okay, log dot d. Oh, I'm writing Java now. Okay, let's write Java, whatever. Come on. And we're gonna do the same. What is this? What do you make variable immutable? Did you make it immutable? I didn't notice. Oh, there's no semicolons, right? Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing again. Convert to Kotlin. Okay, it didn't convert. The log is a log, I guess. Whatever. Let's configure Kotlin in the project. When adding a new Kotlin file, as whether we'd like to configure Kotlin runtime for the project. However, currently converting existing Java file does not prompt this action. Therefore, we have to manually. Okay. Kotlin not configured. Oh, there we go. Configure. I don't trust what's happening. No. We're gonna do this. Configure Kotlin. Alright. What does the man tell us to do? Configure Kotlin project. All modules containing files. App. Okay. This is the latest version, obviously. This one is 0.11. What? We are late, guys. We are late. Okay. It's configured. This is the IML file. Oh, this is the project build Gradle. Yeah. That's strange, by the way. If you open the build Gradle in the project scope, it names itself after the project name. If you open it on the project scope, it names app. That's smart. I like that. Alright, so changes have happened here. We're gonna sync. Did I press it? Yes, I pressed it. Okay. You should stop smoking. It's bad for you. It'll kill you. I know. After we configure Kotlin, alright, it says apply plugin. Where does it say that? Where does it say that? It does not say that. Apply plugin Kotlin Android. There we go. It says it in the project scope Gradle file. Okay, it adds this stuff and this. That's cool. He's showing us. Last thing to do is sync the project. Yes, we did that. Making user interface changes. Okay, first of all, we're gonna, as a last step, we're gonna just run the app and see if it actually runs once this guy finishes synchronizing. So open up Visor. If you don't know, Visor lets you view your phone on the computer over Wi-Fi. Come on, asshole. Downloading? What are you downloading? Oh no. It's downloading the compiler now. It's gonna take forever. Okay, never mind. Oh, you see, now it's .kt. It's not just Kotlin, it's not .java anymore. So this should be the same. Making user, now that the project has been set up, we can work on there is nothing different in terms of layout when working with Kotlin. Thus, this is similar to regular Android Java development while using Layout Designer. Note there are two tabs, I know that. Building and publishing the Kotlin application. Small runtime file size. The library is approximately 7 KB, 700. This means Kotlin adds just a little to the APK file size. We are now ready to build the application in debug mode. Run it on an emulated device. Or build, sign, release, whatever. You can make it release. You can just release it as it is. As you saw, this guy, he did the same. I'm pretty sure there's not much more than that. Not much to it. Yeah, the downloading is not gonna be done today, I assure you. Color bytecode, does really no difference. There's no difference. What's next? Kotlin Android extensions plugin. 1 second here. Just a second. If you want to learn different Kotlin features, try Kotlin cones. What is this? Nice. So that's it. That's the page. Ah. Run a test, make it pass. Okay. Let's play with it online. Maybe today. Maybe not today. I'm really sorry for the shitty internet connection. I usually download at 250 kbps. This is not something normal to happen. This does not happen usually. Alright, so we're gonna cut it short. This is the purpose of this video, was to go through just this part. The next part will be about what Kotlin is. Probably it's gonna be something about this, the Kotlin cones, whatever that is. Because I'm interested in Kotlin and I want to get to know what the language can do, what it can't do, what it's all about. Maybe I can move from Java finally. Yeah, so it's gonna be about Kotlin. But I'm gonna need some time to just figure out what it is, how to deliver some, at least, correct information about the language, because there are tons of people who know more about it than I do. They'll flame me if they watch it. Alright, well, thank you for watching. 1 second here. Oh, nice. Check. An operation is not okay. Take a look at function syntax and make the function start return the string okay. And the task the function to do. This is great. This is some great stuff. We're gonna go through this. I don't care. I don't care. We're gonna go through this. All of it. Named arguments, data classes, builders, HTML builders, string and map builders. Okay, what is this? Using my left hand. Oh wow. This tells you about everything, man. This is so well done too. Is this guy done? Is he done? Fuck you, man. Okay, so in the next video, it's gonna be this stuff. What we do is, we open this testing thing, and we just read the reference about it. Like there's references here that tell you what you should do. They explain to you what the nature of the problem is. For example, they explain what a string builder is in Kotlin, and then they give you this problem. And you can check, you can show answer. There's your answer. Very nice. I really love this. Okay. Next video, Kotlin cones. Until then, take care.